Okay, good evening to everyone. My name is Hakim Wedu, and this purpose of this meeting or this whole thing is about training, enhancing ourselves with more skills. Because looking at where the world is moving and where things are, if you don't have a skills or if you don't have one or two skills, massa, things will be hard. Because a lot of people without the pen they are jobless. Without the pen, they are jobless. And fortunate for some of us, without the pen, whether with the pen or without the pen, we can still make a living. And I think we being family, I think it will be better. We also impact the small knowledge we have into our brothers. Our brothers too can extend it to our children, and at least without pen, we can all make a living. So first of all, if we can introduce ourselves, I'm Hakim from Magic Plus. Uh, Emily, Emily Kojo, if you can introduce yourself to the platform.
Or in email.
Email,
Email
okay.
means
Okay. From where?
from Takoradi.
Okay, okay. Welcome. And my brother Richard, if you can please introduce yourself. Richard, can you introduce yourself?
Sorry. I was talking. I didn't unmute. Sorry. Like you know, my name is Richard,
Okay.
and I'm also in Takoradi. Animal is my friend I introduced to the platform.
So, okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, we are here to learn. All right.
Okay. Mr. Steven.
Yes. Good evening, everyone. My name is Steven Jakwata. I'm in Accra. I'm into IT as well, and it's good to be part of this training section. So,
Okay.
I'm keen to learn about IP systems, networking, and all that. I mean, I have a small idea about it, but I mean, it's knowledge, as you said, it's never enough. We always keep learning. So I'm looking forward to a great section.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We are grateful. Kamimu. Kamimu Isifu, can you introduce yourself?
Sometimes he's mute, so you have to unmute before he can.
Okay. So you, without wasting much time, I think we can set the ball rolling. And I hope everyone can hear me.
Loud and clear from my end.
Yeah, loud and clear from.
Yes. Okay. The main purpose of me creating this group is one, to learn the skills. Two, we work as a team. Where working as a team means, as you are here learning the skill, you can start advertising. You can start telling people that this is what you do. Whether you can do it or not, you just tell them this is what you do. When you bring the contract on board, we all discuss. You bringing the contract, whilst you are learning, you'll be also be making some money as well. Because if you bring the contract, we'll sit down, we give you percentage. Example, I being the host, if I happen to get a contract, because the whole thing should be about practicals, and doing practicals via Zoom may not be effective. We need to be on the field. And how are we going to be on the field? By bringing the jobs ourselves. When we bring the job together, we can go to the field and have the experience together. So what I plan doing is, anytime I have a job somewhere, I have some clients around, some are in Tamale, some are in Accra. What I intend doing is, anytime I have a job in Accra or any part of the country, I'll put it on the platform. Those who are interested, or those who are around, or those who are free to join, no problem, you join. And as you are learning on the field, anything you get, you also get small. So this whole thing is like a package on its own. You are learning, but you'll be making money as well. And we are not going to beat about the bush. What I mean is, we are going straight to the point. We are doing it the street way. We will not go the school way. The school way is a whole lot of things. We'll go straight to the job. How to crimp the cable, what type of cable to use, how to do wiring. We will not, like example, when it comes to networking, there's a whole lot of wiring topologies. We have the star, we have the mesh, we have a whole lot. For this training, we'll go straight to the point, what we use in town. We'll go straight to star topology. We will not use mesh, because we don't use mesh in town. And basically, everything here is IT, and IT, it is about cable crimping. When you know how to crimp the cable, that's a network cable. Earlier on, I posted on the platform that things and materials we should get. The basic thing, every one of us, I beg of you, everyone should take this thing seriously. The basic thing we should know how to do is the cable crimping, because when it comes to the CCTV, we'll be using the same cable. When it comes to the access control, we'll be using the same cable. When it comes to the IP phones, that's the intercom phones, we'll be using the same cable. Video intercom, we'll be using the same cable. That's a UTP cable. That's the cable we'll be using. We are not going to use any Quassia stuff, because the world is moving. When a client happens to come and he's interested in the Quassia, then we will learn it through the client. But we are not going to teach it here. We are going strictly IP. Camera strictly IP. Telephone strictly IP. Access control, everything. Gate automation, a whole lot. Everything. So I beg of you, this is just a short meeting. And from next week, I think we will start with serious stuff. So please, the tools that I posted, the crimping tool, as for the cables and the RJ45, when you are close to me, I can get it, and the cable, I can get it for you for free. But for the crimping tools, you have to buy it yourself, so that we learn with the crimping and we learn with the wiring. For the rest, unless for trunking, all those things, unless we get a job somewhere, then we all go together, and through the client, we learn. So for now, this is my short message for a group. We are all teachers, and we are all students, and we are all businessmen. We are learning, and we will make money together. So this is my short message. If any one of you have any question, he or she can put it on board so that we all discuss. Thank you.
I want to say thank you so much for this refreshing news. You know, before I joined the group, and stuff, I didn't know there was a business package to the whole thing. And I can tell you that I am so excited to hear this from you. So going forward, I'll try as much as possible to bring other people on board, because of the package you just introduced, that if you're able to get some contracts around, you come and do it to get our interest. You know me, I like money. You have known me for some time and you can attest to that fact. Basa, the business aspect of it is so refreshing. And I must tell you, I am so excited